A flight-proven, multi-platform, open-source flight software framework. fprime is a component-driven framework that enables rapid development and deployment of spaceflight and other embedded software applications. It was originally developed at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory and has been successfully deployed on several space applications. The framework is tailored for small-scale spaceflight systems such as CubeSats and SmallSats, but it can be used for other applications as well. What does fprime provide? First, it offers an architecture that decomposes flight software into discrete components with well-defined interfaces. Second, it provides a C++ framework that offers core capabilities such as message queues and threads. Third, it includes modeling tools for specifying components and connections and automatically generating code. Fourth, it has a growing collection of ready-to-use components. Finally, it offers testing tools for testing flight software at the unit and integration levels. For more on these key features, visit the official documentation. System requirements for developing fprime applications include a supported operating system, Linux, Windows with WSL, or Mac OS, Git, Python 3.10 or newer along with virtual environments and pip, and either Clang or GNU C and C++ compilers such as GCC and G++. You can verify these requirements with simple command line checks, for example by running git version, Python version, and G++ version. Once you have a compiler, you can create a simple test program to ensure everything is working. For example, you could write a C++ file that prints hello, world, and then compile and run it with G++ and execute the resulting binary. Getting started is straightforward. First, install the fprime bootstrapping tool with pip install fprime bootstrap. Then create a new project by running fprime bootstrap project. This will scaffold the project structure for you. After that, follow the Hello World tutorial, which walks through all the steps needed to build a complete fprime project. New users are encouraged to review the full user manual and additional tutorials to become familiar with all features and best practices. If you need help, there are several channels available. For discussions, improvements, or general questions, use the project's GitHub discussions. To report bugs or issues, open an issue on the GitHub repository. The fprime community GitHub organization also contains third-party contributions, more documentation, and additional resources. Resources include the user manual, tutorials, discussions, and the open-source community on GitHub. You can also submit issues or join the fprime community for further collaboration. Meet the team behind fprime. The core components board has decision-making power within the framework. Community managers include Lestark, Thomas BC, and Kevin F. Ortega. The security overseer is BitWarrior. Core Components board members also include Bokino, Sterling Pete, Tim Canham, and Zimri Lesher. Each product has maintainers who handle day-to-day implementation of the board's direction. For example, the core fprime software is maintained by Lestark and Thomas BC, while the v3.6x maintenance branch is overseen by Sterling Pete. Tools such as fprime Tools, fprime GDS, and FPP have their own maintainers listed in the documentation. Platform-specific work is maintained by Kevin F. Ortega and Lestark, and security updates are managed by BitWarrior. Release notes and the version history for fprime can be found in the GitHub releases section of the project.